Yes, I should have stopped with 23. That's where your breaks in the assignment goes. So now we're going to start over again with 24. If you have your sheets out, look at word 24, standard time. You really have had that already. And it is the 24 regions of the earth in which noon is set at the time when the sun is highest over the center of that region. So the time determined by the divisions of the earth's surface into 24 time zones, the centers of which are approximately 15 degrees apart in longitude. We'll figure that out. 24 times 15 will give you 360 degrees all the way around the world. But the problem is, halfway around the world we have a special line. It's called the International Dateline. It's approximately 180 degrees. And you can see an imaginary line running north and south at about 180 degrees longitude. You already had this in earlier chapters in which you changed the date. Now, we now live in the eastern deciduous forest time zone, which is out here, and we are in daylight saving time, a system in which clocks are set 1 hour ahead. You already know that. And of course, in Washington, we do it in April. Equinox. You've had this word before. Equal, nox, notches, feminine, third, night. The moment when the sun appears to cross the celestial equator. So you have two equinoxes. Can we move up the words, please? We have the autumnal equinox. Whoops, there we go. The beginning of the fall season, where the sun hits 90 degrees. Perfect right angle at the equator, and that's either September 21st or 23rd, depending upon leap year. And the vernal equinox is when it is in the spring, and that is March 21st, St. Benedict's Day, or 22nd, depending upon the leap year, 90 degrees. Now we know after March 21st, the sun is moving further and further and further up until it hits the Tropic of Capricorn, but that doesn't happen until the summer solstice, which is 90 degrees above the Tropic of Cancer, either June 21st or 22nd. All of these words, autumnal equinox, vernal equinox, solstice, summer solstice, winter solstice, you all had before. So it's a review of these words. So if you look at it, equinox, autumnal equinox, vernal equinox, solstice, summer solstice, winter solstice. And you got the dates down. We've had these all before. It's not something new. Could we go up, please? We'll stop at 26 so I can have that word down one bound a little bit. There we go. Now here is your wonderful picture I have in my notes for you. So here you have the summer solstice, June 21st, okay? And the winter solstice, December 21st. You have the spring equinox, March 21st, the autumnal equinox. If we can go up a little bit, maybe we can get that in there, September 21st. So here is the picture, okay? Aphelion and perihelion, and this is the difficulty. We are at aphelion, away from the sun, around exactly July 4th. And we're at perihelion, closest on it for us, January 23rd. It would be the opposite of those two dates in the southern hemisphere. So they would have their hottest time in July, and because they're closest and we're further away. So perihelion, closest for us, January 21st. When is it closest in the southern hemisphere? July 24th. But for us, that's when we're further away. So that is because we are an ellipse. Now that's the ends of the words, so please try to keep this in order. Remember, we're starting today, or yesterday, I'm sorry, on the 14th and doing words 1 through 9. And then the next day we did words 10 through 23, and now you're finishing the words 24 to 32. And you do all the chapter quizzes and reviews. You have all the sheets to go with it. I pass out everything before you left school. And if we ever have this test, we'll try to do it. If not, we'll just have the final. But this is chapter 26, so I want to finish that today. Thank you so much.